Welcome back. Today we're making this adorable baby chick cake. Now I know baby and chick might be a little bit redundant, but saying chicken cake and saying chick cake just don't sound quite right. This cake is made with 4 super fluffy and super tender coconut cake layers, and then I'm frosting them with an even layer of coconut buttercream. If you don't love the flavor of coconut, it's really just an extract that I added to both the cake layers and the frosting, and you can omit it or add an extra vanilla and just have a really delicious fluffy vanilla cake. Once my cake layers were stacked, and you can see that I kind of trimmed that top cake layer to make it easier to give our chicken a rounded head, I added a crumb coat and then chilled the cake in the freezer for about 5 minutes until the frosting was firm to the touch. I'm then using my remaining coconut buttercream to add a second layer of frosting here. It doesn't have to be perfect because we're going to cover this cake completely in flaked coconut. So it's a really forgiving cake design, and it's also just so fun to make. I really do recommend using flaked coconut because it looks so much fluffier and a lot more like feathers than shredded coconut. I'm then adding some fondant to be my little chick's eyes, beaks, feet, and of course his comb on the top of his head. The last step is to use our remaining buttercream to pipe little wings on the side of the cake, and then of course we have to add on his party hat because he is a party animal. This is such a fun and cute cake design for spring, for a farm-themed birthday, or even just to celebrate Easter. And as cute as he was, I had to cut into him so I could show you guys the inside and how amazing those cake layers are. If you guys really love coconut flavor, you can also add some toasted coconut between the cake layers for a little bit of extra texture. So as you can see, those cake layers look so fluffy and so light, and they were so delicious. If you want to make this cake, the recipe is up on Chelsweets.com, and I've included the link in the video description below. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and until next time, happy baking!